What if I told you that some of the biggest revenue leaps in our clients' businesses came from one simple yet very underutilized sales channel, email marketing? Today, I'll be explaining you exactly how we're able to generate millions of dollars for our clients utilizing email and SMS marketing. Here's the real kicker. Most businesses don't even scratch the surface when it comes to email and SMS marketing. They think it's outdated or ineffective, or they bombard their audiences multiple times a day during periods that it's not necessary. Believe me, there's times that you can send emails multiple times a day, like Black Friday, because during Black Friday, it's a mess in people's inboxes. Everyone is sending emails, so then it is important to send emails multiple times a day. But during times when you don't run huge sales, definitely not necessary. In this video, I'm gonna break down key elements on how we're able to generate millions of dollars for our clients, getting results like this, how we're able to craft emails, what flows to do, how to leverage AI, and by the end of the video, you should know what you can improve in your own email marketing and get better results. The first and most important thing is building a quality email list. A successful email marketing campaigns starts with the list. If you don't have a list, or if your list is full with low quality leads, low quality subscribers, bots, people who never purchase from you, then you're in trouble, because these people will just fill your email list, they will break your deliverability, your emails will start going to spam. So it's very, very important that first you build your list with quality email subscribers. Second, you make sure that you suppress inactive profiles at least once a quarter. And third, you segment your email lists, so you send emails only to people that are more likely to open it and people that will find the information in the email relevant. For example, if you have women's and men's collection, you send emails that feature the women's collection only to women. Sometimes you can send it to men as well and go with the angle that they can buy gifts for their girlfriends, moms, friends, etc. But majority of the time, you promote the women's collection only to women, obviously, and the other way around. There's a lot of businesses online that buy email lists ready from different databases. That's a very bad practice, and I would never recommend it, because if you can buy a list from there, imagine how many more businesses are buying the lists there. So there's a ton of businesses bombarding the same people. First and foremost, those people have not given a consent to be in your email list, and they have not subscribed to be sent offers to. And when they see an email campaign from an unrecognizable brand, they will most likely report you as a spam and unsubscribe, which will hurt your deliverability and will prevent you from making more money from your quality leads. To build a list with quality leads, what I would recommend you to do is to run Facebook campaigns specifically to building your list. And do not run campaigns with instant forms, because these do get a lot of leads, but the quality of the leads is not going to be ideal. I would highly recommend to you to build a landing page with an offer and to run ads to that specific landing page. Another thing you can do is run raffles on your Instagram page. You can also run promotions. You can also offer better discount codes for those people who subscribe to your email list, etc., etc. So there are definitely many ways to do so. So you can build a segment of people who have received at least 10 emails in the last 365 days, people who have also not clicked or opened an email in the last 180 days, and they have not made a purchase in the last year. And once you have all of these filters, like criteria, you can create this list and you can send them a re-engaging campaign and try to get them back into the funnel. And then after you send the email, people who open or click, they're gonna get automatically removed from that segment, and you can suppress the people who are left in that segment. Hope that makes sense. Now that you have high quality segmented list, it's time to start building and sending emails. But what separates mediocre emails from those that make people purchase, click on them, and take action? There are a few key elements that can make all of the difference. First, let's talk about subject lines. Subject lines are the gatekeeper to emails. If your subject lines are not engaging, they don't pique curiosity, they don't grab attention, nothing else matters. Because many times, myself included, when I see a dull subject line of an email, I don't open it and I just archive it or delete it. In fact, 47% of recipients opened emails based on the subject line. In your subject lines, you also need to use personalization when possible. So add first name or company name. If you're a B2B company, you can also add any relevant holidays or sales that you're doing. Also incorporating urgency, like don't miss out on your exclusive offer, can help you get more open rates. Next is the body content. Now the body, it's very important to be relevant to the person that you're sending to. As I said earlier, you need to make your emails relevant to make people buy. People are busy and long word emails do not usually perform well. What we do at our agency, we create a lot of different emails, but we fill them with different pictures and GIFs. And there was a saying, a picture says 1,000 words. So we let our pictures, graphics, and GIFs do the talking. And next we have CTAs, call to actions. You need to have call to actions in every single email that you send. You need to have a goal in mind, and you need to tell people what to do after they open your email. They can follow you on social media, they can join your live show, they can purchase a product, they can book a call or a consultation, etc, etc. One of our favorite techniques of boosting email conversions is also adding social proof. It is really important to add social proof. People care what other people think. So if you have a lot of reviews, definitely add them to your emails. And finally, consider A/B testing. A/B testing is extremely important. Different audiences respond to different things. You can split test call to actions, you can split test subject lines, you can split test images, colors, and you can basically split test every single part of your email. See which one performs best and incorporate the learnings into your next campaign. Next, we have automation and scaling. Now that you know how to create high converting emails, it's time to create your calendars, start scheduling and scaling. With email marketing, it's extremely important that you plan ahead of time. In our agency, we plan all of the campaigns a month in advance. So at the time of recording this video, it is 15th of September. We already have the plan for the whole of October, and our graphic designer currently is working on the emails. By the end of the first week of October, we're gonna have all of the emails ready for November, so our graphic designer can start preparing them. This way, there are no surprises, your clients know what to expect, you have enough time to make revisions, to make changes, and once everything is ready, you can schedule your emails. When it comes to automation, you can also start creating different flows. The most popular and powerful flows are welcome series and abandoned cart emails. Once you set up those flows, they'll get sent out immediately, and I have videos explaining how to create them and what should be the sequence, which you can watch after this video. Other flows that you can create are VIP flows for people obviously who are VIP, and you can decide on which people are gonna be. Most common definition is people who have bought at least 5 times from your business, but you can make it 6 times, you can make it 10 times, you can make it when people have spent at least $2,000 from you. There's many different definitions that you can use, and it's depending on the type of business that you are in. Other flows that you can create are upselling and cross-selling. Again, I do have videos on these, so you can watch them after this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you need help with your email marketing, there's gonna be a link in the description below. You can book a call with me. We'll audit your account and we can discuss potentially working together. And yeah, thank you for your time. Again, I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.